Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Apple ID and the minimal settings that let downloads happen. Sign in under Settings, tap your name, and make sure payment and billing details are current so purchases or free downloads proceed. Once done, check screen time restrictions and allow App Store access. This prevents hidden blocks. Finally, connect to a stable Wi-Fi and keep the device charged above 20% so installs don't fail mid-process. Now you'll locate the app and trigger installation. Open the App Store and use the search tab for the app name or browse curated categories if you're uncertain. Tap Get or the Price button, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. That confirms identity and payment. While it downloads, watch the home screen icon or the update section for progress. If you need to prioritize, press and hold the icon to pause or resume the download. After install, open the app and grant necessary permissions so features work as intended. Limiting permissions can block functionality. Make sure to update apps regularly through your profile in the App Store to receive security fixes and new features. If something goes wrong, try a simple sequence. Restart the iPhone, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and confirm you have enough storage and a strong network connection. That trio resolves most issues without complex troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.